Hello dears and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahil. In this video we are going to learn how to proportionally draw a shape with Affinity. To draw a shape we need to right click here and choose a shape like this triangle tool. To proportionally draw you need to hold Ctrl Shift on your keyboard. Let's draw another one, this ellipse. So for any shape you need to hold Ctrl Shift on your keyboard to proportionally draw your shape with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned, and if you have any question please let me know in the comment box of this video, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys in the next video.